Nyoma, how is the BJP viewing these developments? Is the door all but open for Raghav Chadha if, push comes to shove and he does take that spade? A lot of speculation on the internet about where Raghav Chadha is headed next, because it seems like, things are turning sour for him within the Aam Aadmi Party.
So I don't know where he's heading next. I don't know his internal dynamics or what exactly is going on in his mind. So that's not for me to answer. But as Brijesh sir made a lot of points, which kind of put a lot of things into perspective in terms of my theory on this is like a party that claimed to be born from revolution and internal democracy is now deciding that their own MP cannot speak in parliament just because they don't like what he's saying or how he's saying, or there's like obviously internal disagreement, as I said. And there were reports of him being there's a rift because they made it very evidently clear. But one thing which comes out in the open is that the Aam Aadmi Party, it's exhibiting what may be called in the political space as a decline phase trait. That means that when a party rises, they accommodate leaders and sort issues out without things going to head. But when a party is falling and failing, anyone with the slightest difference of opinion or not exhibiting subservience is purged. I mean, come on, their party started out against the politics of the high command. It was one of the key differentiators to Congress, they claim that. But today it functions exactly like a top-down one-leader unit where even one top officer bearer like Raghav Chadha can simply be muted or pushed into oblivion. And, forget a clear answer. Not even a vague reason has been given for Raghav's removal, where your much touted foundation principle of transparency surfaces. It's literally gone with the wind. And Arvind Kejriwal is a rather shrewd man, we have to admit. I mean, he knows when to keep people close and when to discard them. Let's go back into history. The similar story seemed to be with Mr. Anna Hazare, Prashant Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav, Ashutosh Ji, and Swati Maliwal more recently. So the pattern is showing some sort of opportunism, as I can say. And in this decision, Raghav Chadha, was he the direct target for a message for many outside the parliament, like stay in line, avoid independent thinking, don't think of a developing into a political leader of your own merit? There's so much psychology which comes into this. Further, he's criticized BJP innumerable times on when it comes to his parliamentary debates. I've seen those debates myself. So certainly I don't think the criticism part is the main issue. One reason which also comes to think is that emerging as another big leader within the app. Now one might say that Tike Atishi, Saurabh Bhardwaj, etc. But the difference was that they were deriving their power and authority from Mr. Kejriwal's name and persona. But Raghav seemed like it was beginning to develop his own political identity. As you said, even on social media, he was coming up a lot. Whether you call it a PR, whether you call it even natural ability, calculated move is a different question. The point is, Raghav was breaking into some sort of his own, which was the loudest warning bell for Aam Aadmi Party as a big leader, and they felt the clipping his wings, and which they've done.
Okay.
And
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah.